That's right, I've got scissors and I'm not afraid to unbox with them. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and today I have a small little unboxing for you. I'm kind of getting in the habit of opening things with you guys, and I'm kind of proud of myself because these have been sitting in my room, these two items, for the past probably like 10 hours. So I feel like that's growth that I haven't been tempted to open these up yet. But these are just two clothing pre-loved pieces, designer pieces that I got, and I thought, let me share them with you, and the amazing deal I got from one of my favorite sites. And if you look down below, guys, I have a list of my favorite luxury designer sites, pre-loved and new, that I get the best deals on. So I'm gonna have those listed down below for you. But this one was from the Luxury Closet, and the deals were amazing. So I hope these work. And these were in great condition because they said gently used on them. So let's just open up these babies. Two boxes here. We have a bag and a box. Luxury Closet, they're from Dubai. They list stuff like every day. And if you know anything about Dubai, like they got some coin there. So there's tons of pieces, completely authenticated. And what's nice is when you're buying from the US, as long as the pieces are under $800, there are no duties nor taxes attached to it, so you can get a great deal. And sometimes even if they do have the duties and taxes attached, if it's over $800, it's such a great deal that is still more beneficial than you buying it here in the US or on a pre-loved site like Fashion File. So you kind of just have to do the math. Usually I do about 10% more than what the cost is when I try to factor in how much those duties are gonna cost, because you pay them once the item is shipped. It comes DHL, and it usually gets to you with the free shipping within 3 to 5 days, and that's exactly what happened here. I ordered them on the weekend and they came here on a Tuesday. So super fast shipping. We're gonna start with smallest one right here. And the reason these are in separate bags is because I like to check it every morning during the week to see what deals they have. And I had bought the item below in the box, but then this one popped up and it was such a great deal, like I had to try. So this item that I am opening first here, this retails for just under $1,000 from Dior. So this is a Dior clothing piece. This is not something I ever thought I would spend money on, but I was able to get this piece just a little over $200 for this particular piece. And it is something small, and I've never tried this on, so I have no idea if this is gonna fit me or not. So we have it bubble wrapped. Here it is right here, and I'm not quite sure the size. This was a size large, and I was thinking that this might fit me the best because this particular item right here, and this is for your ladies, and I have a little bit of a larger chest size, and for some reason I feel like Dior pieces and stuff like that run a little small, but because I just want to make sure my girls were completely covered. So this is a size large, and I couldn't believe this is in gently used, like new condition for under 250 bucks. I just thought it was worth a try, but look how absolutely beautiful these straps are. And this is thick fabric. So I'm like, I guess $250 for a bra is a crazy amount of money, but this seems like such a thick fabric. I love that you see the Christian Dior right here. I love that this is a nice, fun fashion piece, and I love that it's in the black. I feel like I'll be able to wear this a lot of stuff. And I like to wear like not real bras anymore, like bralettes and those kind of things. I don't like underwire type material. And I have really been liking, I will get like an oversized t-shirt. I've been feeling, my husband says, oh my goodness, you look like an 80s mom or dancer or something like that. So to have this Christian Dior right here, this seems amazing. But yes, here is this one right here, and I'll show you inserts of me wearing it. I really hope it fits, but I'm just surprised like how thick this material is. Like, this isn't skimpy. Do I think it's worth like $1,000? Absolutely not. It's a little piece of fabric, but it is like pretty substantial fabric. So I had never seen these before. So I'm pretty pleased with this. Now this one I had bought first, but they arrived at the same time because it was just a day apart that I bought them. This piece is something that retails for over $1,000, and I do have several of this brand. I do love them. I wear them all the time, and I also rent them out in my closet, so they make me money as well. So this piece I got for, it was just a little over $600, and it usually retails for around $1,100, $1,200, so 50% off. And it said it was lightly used, and I really liked the color for this particular piece. Let's bust it open. Okay guys, we have the box open, tissue paper. Got another Balenciaga sweater. So this one is in the size small, so it's a little more oversized. Now this one does have a little bit more wear to it than some of my other ones do. I'm noticing like there's some ball things here. I have a shaver for this, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and take that to it and try to take some of these little bits off here. But these are super soft. I love these. And to get such a great deal on it, and then I can also rent these out and I make good money. So like if I rent this out for 4 days, I make about $75 for a 4-day rental on it. So all I really need is a few rentals and then it is a great deal for me. But this looks like it's an amazing condition right here. I just have some of the wear that you get to like a cashmere wool blend sweater, is that you get these little pieces here that you can easily just kind of shave off with a shaver. This is actually not too bad. I did put, there's like no support to it. So I do have like a bigger chest, which I think the large has more fabric. However, my back and waist part is smaller, so I'm a little awkward, but I do think the large is a good size for me. It is like thicker, but I did feel like my ladies were standing at full attention. So I did use my trick, which I like to do, is I had these things when I was pregnant and breastfeeding with my son. They were these little, they're called Lily pads, and I use them sometimes when I can't wear a bra or different situations, that it just helps. You put that on with this, and then my ladies aren't standing at attention. I felt like more secure wearing this, but I think it's super cute, and it's not going anywhere. I don't feel like there's not crazy amount of support, but I feel like this is a decent amount of fabric covering me. And that's the thing. I thought, you see this with women that are more flat chested, a little bit less busty, that this looked cuter on them, and I didn't think it would be something that would look super cute on me, but I think I like this. I think this is adorable. Okay guys, what do you think? Like ready to wear pieces, I have been starting to wear more instead of fast fashion. And the reason is because if I'm able to find it secondhand and I wear them all the time, and to be honest, like I don't leave my house as much as I used to. I'm still getting used to not going anywhere. I do wear these pieces an absolute lot, and I feel like I am getting my money's worth. And again, renting out the sweaters, it also makes me money. Just think it's a good deal. And I can't believe I bought this bra. I never would, but I can't believe it was under $250. I mean, that is an expensive to spend on a bra, but I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. Like I don't wear tanner or anything like that, or bronzer or anything that I have to worry about these straps getting dark, but I just think this is so freaking cute. Okay guys, that is everything. Do you like that I'm just opening packages in front of you? This is not something I would normally do. I would normally just open this, like the ready to wear pieces, the jewelry pieces. Like I used to only do like handbag unboxings, but do you like me just like sharing random stuff and deals I get for my stuff? Because like no one else, I usually just open it by myself. Sometimes my son likes to see it. My husband's just like, oh, that's nice. He doesn't get it. So if you're enjoying me just sharing the new things that I get, just let me know in the comments down below or with the thumbs up. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye guys.